Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you the proper method to upload the video, how to set up the title, how to write the YouTube description, how to do the SEO of your video, and there are some very common settings in YouTube Studio which most of the YouTubers don't know, and we are going to cover them all. So first thing first, let's start. To upload the video, you have to make sure that you are signed in the right channel and then click on create, upload videos, select the file. So here you have to select the video. You can also drag and drop directly from a file explorer as well. The things you have to make sure that your video name should match with your title as well. So click on open, because the file name which will be stored in YouTube must be the same as your title. So this is the title, but to make the title more catchy and to add such a searchable keywords, all you need to do is just write a random title and then open Microsoft Copilot, and here write generate SEO rich title from below one and paste the actual title and hit enter. Here Microsoft Copilot will give you a couple of suggestions. You can choose from these 5 to 6 titles the one which matches with your video. I will choose the first one. I will copy and I will put on the next thing is description. To write the description, you don't need to write manually. What you can do, just select the title, again open the Copilot, and here write the prompt generate detailed YouTube video description for the following title. Again, Copilot will work on it and it will give you a brief YouTube description. So all you need to do is just simply copy the all description and then paste it into your description section. Here, if you want to keep the headings, you can keep, but you have to make sure that it looks like that you have wrote down the description. Here, remove these long dashes. Just review it once, read it out, and the things which you want to remove, and things which you want to add, you can add. At the end, if you want to add your social media, you can also add your other social media handles. The next part is also belongs to the YouTube description, which includes a little bit of SEO. We will copy again the title. We will go back to the Copilot again. Here we will ask the following: generate viral SEO rich hashtags in one line for the following title and hit enter. Here why I write in one line, because if we don't write this two words in our prompt, it will give you the hashtags like this. So here it's easy for us to copy, so we will just copy it and paste at the bottom. Since the start of 2026, SEO method has been completely changed. Now the YouTube AI algorithm also focuses on the words which you spoke into your video as well. So you have to make sure that you write the correct hashtags which you used in your actual video as well. So after title and description, we will move next to the thumbnail, which is the main key of your video. People will watch your thumbnail and then click on your video. So to make the catchy thumbnails, what you can do, you can just simply open the Canva, click on templates, and here write YouTube video thumbnail, and here you will get plenty of free options. We will just upload the thumbnail which we have created already. And now the next part is playlist. If you want to add this video into your playlist, you can just simply drag and select the playlist on which you want to add. So I will add this in my tech videos. And the next setting, most important setting, is no, it's not made for kids. If you have any paid promotion included, you have to make sure to check. And here comes the important setting, altered content. Here you have to make sure you have to read out this carefully. So always choose no if you are not copying someone or if it's not AI generated video. Go down, and next part is your tags, which is also the key role of your video. To generate the viral tags, all you need to do is open rapidtags.io, enter the title and click generate. Simply copy these tags and paste into your tag section. Recording date and location, you can set the recording date of this video and you can set the location if you want. So here, if the next important part is shorts remixing. If you allow other YouTubers to download your videos and make short for their channels, allow video and audio remixing. Check on this, allow only audio remixing, or if you don't allow, just tap on don't allow and move next. Next is category. This defines the important role, so you can choose as per your category or niche. Who can comment? You can select anyone or subscribers and members only. And sort by the newest or top, you can select the newest one. And at the end, there is an option called show how many viewers like this video. If you uncheck, it will not show others how many people have liked the video. Then click on next, and here is the monetization tab. You have to select on, done, click next, none of all, you have to accept and then submit the rating and click next. Here, if you want to add the subtitles, you can add as well. And if you want to add the end screen, you can also import from video, or simply you can click on add and you can choose the template. Like what I will choose here, I will choose my last video and the subscriber button, and click save, and then click next. We will click save. So as you can see here, my video is now under the channel content. Now to schedule the video, what you can do, you can click on this arrow, then schedule, and then select the date, select the time, and click on schedule. Always make sure that do not rush to upload the video or publish the video straight away. Give it some time, let it render properly in 4K, and then upload. That's the correct method according to my point of view. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.